I bought and tested these leather conditioners so you don't have to waste your hard-earned cash. As someone who values quality leather goods, I know how important it is to keep them looking sharp and lasting long. Let's dive into the top 5 leather shoe conditioners that could save your favorite leather items from wear and tear. Product number 1, the Z-Joey Horsehair Shine Shoe Brush Kit. When I first laid my hands on the Z-Joey Horsehair Shine Shoe Brush Kit, I was intrigued. For just under $8, this kit packs a punch. It includes a large shine brush, a long handle horsehair brush, a detailing brush, and a microfiber buffing cloth. I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting much, but this kit exceeded my expectations. The horsehair brushes are incredibly effective. As I used the large brush to bring life back to my scuffed up dress shoes, I could feel the quality in the bristles. The concave design made it comfortable to hold, allowing me to apply pressure without straining my wrist. The detailing brush was a game changer for getting into the tricky crevices of my shoes where dirt likes to hide. Pros? First off, the price is unbeatable for what you get. The brushes are durable, and the microfiber cloth is perfect for that final buff. The long handle makes it easy to cover more surface area quickly. The kit is also multifunctional, meaning it can tackle everything from shoes to handbags and car interiors. Truly a versatile addition to your cleaning supplies. On the downside, the kit doesn't include any polishes or conditioners, so you'll have to invest in those separately. Additionally, some might find the detailing brush a bit too small for larger shoes. Why should you buy it? If you want an affordable yet effective way to keep your leather looking sharp, this kit is for you. It's a simple yet powerful tool that every leather owner should have in their maintenance arsenal. Product number 2, Fibing's Yellow Saddle Soap, a classic in the leather care world. When I unscrewed the lid of this 3.5-ounce tin, I was greeted with the sight of a rich, creamy paste that promised to clean and condition my leather items. This product truly delivers on its promise. I applied it to a pair of old riding boots that had seen better days, and the transformation was remarkable. You can feel the conditioner penetrating the leather, making it softer and more pliable. The application process was simple. I just used a damp cloth to rub it in, and within minutes, my boots were looking vibrant again. The pros of using Fibing's Saddle Soap are abundant. It's multi-purpose, working well on shoes, couches, bags, and even saddles. The unscented formula is a bonus for those sensitive to fragrances. It effectively removes dirt and grime while conditioning the leather, making it a must-have for anyone serious about leather care. On the flip side, the tin can be a bit tricky to open, especially with wet hands, and some users might find it a bit messy to work with. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one solution that's been around since 1895, Fibing's Yellow Saddle Soap is your best bet. It's an investment in your leather's long-term health and appearance. Product number 3, Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Let's talk about the Leather Honey Complete Leather Care Kit. Priced at around $37, it's on the higher end, but boy does it deliver. When I received the kit, I was impressed by the packaging and the inclusion of 2 cloths along with the cleaner and conditioner. I started with the cleaner, which is non-toxic and gentle yet powerful enough to lift years of dirt off my leather jacket. After cleaning, I applied the conditioner, and I was amazed at how deep it penetrated. My jacket felt rejuvenated, supple, and ready to face another winter. One of the standout features of Leather Honey is its long-lasting protection. I applied it weeks ago, and my leather still feels hydrated and looks great. The kit can be used on various leather items, from car seats to bags, making it incredibly versatile. The non-toxic formula is a huge plus for those of us with pets or kids. However, it's worth noting that the price might deter some, and it's not suitable for suede, which is a bummer for those with suede items. So why buy it? If you want a comprehensive leather care solution that's safe for your family and pets while providing long-lasting results, this kit is worth every penny. Product number 4 is Obanoff's Heavy Duty LP Leather Preservative. This product caught my attention because it's made from natural beeswax and oil, and it's designed for serious leather protection. When I first used it on a pair of rugged work boots that had seen better days, I could immediately see the difference. The application was simple. I just used my fingers to rub it in, and it absorbed quickly, leaving the leather looking refreshed. What I love about this product is its ability to repel water and other harsh elements. Living in a rainy area, I'm always concerned about my leather gear getting ruined. After applying Obenauf's, my boots not only looked great, but also stood up against the elements effortlessly. It's a real heavy-duty product, perfect for anyone who spends time outdoors. And it claims to double the life of your leather gear, which is a bold promise I hope to test over time. The downside? It's a bit greasy, so you'll want to apply it in moderation, and it requires some time to dry fully, but the performance is worth the wait. Why should you consider buying it? If you need a product that can withstand tough conditions and extend the life of your leather, Obenauf's Heavy Duty LP is a solid investment that won't let you down. Product number 5, Leather Honey Leather Conditioner. We have the Leather Honey Leather Conditioner, another gem from the Leather Honey brand. This product boasts a powerful formula that penetrates deep into the leather. I was skeptical at first, but after using it on my car seats, I was blown away. The application was smooth, and I didn't have to worry about a sticky residue, which is a common issue with other conditioners. My seats looked and felt revitalized, and I was thrilled with how easy it was to apply. One of the main pros is that it offers long-lasting protection. One application lasts at least 6 months. That's a significant time saver compared to monthly treatments. The formula is also water repellent, meaning my seats are protected from spills and moisture. It's safe for all colors of leather, which is great if you have a mix of light and dark items. However, it's important to note that it's not suitable for suede or faux leather, which could limit its use for some. Why buy it? If you're looking for a reliable conditioner that saves you time, effort, and gives your leather the love it deserves, Leather Honey Leather Conditioner is a must-have in your leather care toolkit. So there you have it, the top 5 leather shoe conditioners. Each has its unique strengths, and whether you're looking for something budget-friendly or a high-end solution, there's something here for everyone. Keep your leather looking fresh and lasting longer, and trust me, your future self will thank you.